This video is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process of finding tax strategies on the Investmates app. In the home screen, scroll down to go to Harvest Your Losses section. Click on Start Saving button to go to Tax Saving Strategy section. As shown in the screen, please click on Start Saving button. Click on Check Realized Gains to view full details. You will now find the realized gains details on the screen. Click on Check Realized Losses to view full details. You will now find the realized losses details on the screen. Here you can find the option to update incorrect purchase info as shown on the screen. Also, you will find a link to know how is this calculated for better understanding. Click on Check Unrealized Losses button. Here you will find option to select the losses to harvest as shown in screen. Please click on the Info button to see how the calculations for the tax loss harvesting process have been performed. You will find the details of the Information button as shown on the screen. Thank you for watching the video.